All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Kristina Motley. I'm a senior environmental specialist working with the Paul S. Sarbanes Ecosystem Restoration Project at Poplar Island that I'll be talking about on March 15th with the lecture, Poplar Island, an International Model of Beneficial Use. During this talk, I'll be discussing Poplar Island, which is an environmental restoration project located in the Chesapeake Bay in Talbot County, Maryland. The beneficial use project, started in 1990s, relies on dredged material collected from the approach channels to the Baltimore Harbor to restore habitat in this remote island of the Chesapeake Bay. The project is a partnership between the Maryland Department of Transportation, Maryland Port Administration, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and we have my organization that's contracted out, Maryland Environmental Service. And that partnership has been in place for over 20 years and has seen a restoration of almost 400 acres of wetland habitat. Upland habitat and additional wetland habitat is currently being planned, and the island is slated to be completed in the 2040s. At this time, over 400 different species of wildlife, including the diamondback terrapin, have been documented, and over almost 40 different species of birds have been confirmed nesting on sites. So this talk will cover a variety of topics pertaining to Poplar Island, including a little bit of its history, the beneficial use of dredged material for habitat restoration, and salt marsh habitat, and our construction timeline. So I look forward to sharing this amazing project with you and the great work our project partners are doing to restore the remote island habitat within the Chesapeake Bay while keeping the Port of Baltimore open for business.